Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's dive into a topic that sounds like a brilliant idea on the surface: rent to own. You have a house for sale and you're thinking, why not let someone rent it while they work toward buying it? It seems like a perfect win-win, but trust me, what starts as a creative solution can quickly spiral into a long, expensive nightmare for sellers who aren't prepared. So what exactly is rent to own or a lease option? It's an agreement where a tenant pays rent and a portion of that payment goes toward the future purchase price of your home. The idea is to give potential buyers time to improve their credit or save up a bigger down payment. Sounds great, right? You get consistent payments and they get a path to home ownership. But here's the critical detail most people miss. You are still the legal homeowner throughout the entire lease period. That means you carry all the risk. You're still on the hook for property taxes, homeowners insurance, major repairs, and all the legal liability that comes with owning property. The reality is that many rent-to-own deals fall through. In fact, studies show that a huge percentage of these agreements never actually close. The tenant might stop paying, fall behind on their rent credit, or simply decide to walk away. And here's where it gets tricky. Because these tenants feel like they're already owners, their mindset changes. They might stop treating the property with the care of a renter. You'll hear things like, "It's fine, I'm buying it anyway," while they neglect maintenance or even worse, stop paying rent altogether. Now you're stuck. You have someone living in your property who isn't paying, and you can't just evict them like a typical tenant. In many states, because they've built up what's called equitable interest in the property, you might have to go through a complicated and costly foreclosure process. We're talking months of legal battles, lost income, and potentially significant property damage, all while you're powerless to sell to someone else. Financially, it's also a gamble. You lock in a sale price today for a future sale. If the housing market skyrockets, you miss out on all that appreciation. You're stuck with yesterday's price while still paying today's taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs on a house that's supposedly sold, but not really. So if your house isn't selling, what are the safer alternatives? You could work with your real estate agent to restage the home or adjust the marketing strategy. Offering seller concessions or exploring short-term rental options with clear, firm end dates are also much safer bets. Rent to own can seem like a clever workaround, but for most sellers, it's a legal and financial minefield. Before you hand over the keys on a promise, do your homework and consult with a real estate professional who truly understands the risks. Sometimes the best way to protect your investment is to stick to the proven path and sell your home the right way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. See you in the next one.